fat loss works is being in a caloric deficit. It's what it is. There's so many other aspects that need to be addressed, but if we could all agree on one thing, it's that your body is in a caloric deficit. And that is why a whole food plant-based diet is the best diet for weight loss, fat loss, because you can eat so much food and still be in a caloric deficit, and your body can be nourished and satisfied. But on the standard American diet, you are eating lots of calories and very little nutrients, so it's so easy to go over your calorie load for the day and gain weight. You also could be one of these people who are eating the standard American diet and you're calorie counting, you're putting things in your MyFitnessPal, but you're not eating large volume of nutrient dense foods, and so you're still gaining weight and you're going through metabolic damage. The thing is, you need to eat more large amounts of nutrient dense foods with low amounts of calories. So your fruits and vegetables, your whole grains, not necessarily your nuts and seeds, those are whole foods, but they are higher in calories. And so you can get in a caloric deficit just by eating more nutrient-dense foods, not by doing anything else, just by eating more of whole plant foods, because you are crowding out the bad guys. I have a negative relationship with food. People say you shouldn't say that's bad food and that's good food, but I personally do, because it is bad food. I don't care. It's bad food. Call it bad food because it's bad. Eat good food. I mean, if it's going to mentally screw you up, then don't. But just know that there are foods that are better than others, and there's nothing wrong with saying that if that's the truth. You don't have to lie to yourself. So, yeah, eat more good foods, and you can put yourself in a calorie deficit just by eating more plant foods. Crazy, I know, but it works.